Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Oppo. Begin with opening Play Store. Now you need to click on the search bar and type in Dev Check. Then download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, select Open. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your Oppo's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!